ATS's cost-effective, comprehensive solutions for end packaging and transport security with banding technology make it a sought-after customer partner around the world. What makes banding in our machines so special? ATS banding technology is an ideal solution in a wide variety of industrial applications. Our experience encompasses the food, graphics, logistics, manufacturing, merchandising, and pharmaceutical sectors, among others. ATS machines can also be used in clean rooms, refrigerated rooms, and wet rooms, which makes them extremely versatile. This is made possible by unique, adhesive-free, ultrasonic cold welding technology, which is exclusive to ATS. The technique generates no heat, fumes, or residue. The food and packaging are protected. We would like to demonstrate the economic and environmental advantages that this results in when compared to conventional packaging. The first packaging type that we will look at is strapping around products, such as corrugated cardboard for logistics purposes. Corrugated cardboard products are stacked and strapped with plastic. The top and bottom products are usually damaged by the narrow plastic strip. They have to be disposed of by the customer and can amount to up to 10% of the total shipment. Banding delivers a key advantage here. The stacks are not damaged by the wide, soft band, but are packed in a way that protects the edges. So, nothing from the delivery has to be thrown away, and the banding itself uses as little material as possible. The second type is shrink wrapping with film to bundle the units and stabilize them for transport. The shrinking is done by heat in shrink tunnels. Applying heat is time-consuming and uses a lot of energy. And shrinking also generates heat and odors. This is far from ideal for food and pharmaceutical products, as these have to be kept cool and handled in a hygienic manner. At the point of sale, the films must be removed with a knife, which is tedious and poses the risk of hand injuries and damage to the packaging. Here too, banding offers major advantages. Efficient, automated bundling with clean packing of the units. No heat is required, which means lower energy consumption and gentle handling of the products. In contrast to shrink-fit technology, material usage and waste are kept to a minimum. Taken together, this significantly reduces costs. With an integrable thermal transfer print, track and trace codes can be applied during the bundling process, which provides enormous flexibility. Handling at the point of sale is greatly simplified. The bands can simply be torn open by hand and the product placed on the shelf undamaged. The third type is end packaging with cardboard sleeves combined with adhesive labels in the convenience food segment, as with sushi, cheese, and salads. These elements are frequently applied by hand and in multiple steps. This takes time and material and requires an unnecessary amount of manual handling of the product. Banding offers the advantage of automated packaging. The bands accommodate high-quality printing in your design, and countless material variants are available to suit your product. Variable information such as the expiration date and barcode can be applied during banding. Bands are easy to open for the end customer, a clean and appealing solution without adhesive residue and with minimal material usage. Here again, banding means reduced material usage and waste and therefore lower costs. Banding automates the packaging process and minimizes manual handling, whether as a single station or integrated into a fully automated production line. The machines are designed for continuous operation, which boosts efficiency immensely. For sensitive products, automation can also mean enhanced safety and hygiene. Banding therefore simplifies processes, increases efficiency, and improves your bottom line, and reduced material costs and waste minimize your environmental footprint. Our machines are part of a comprehensive solution. ATS's quality standards and precision are typically Swiss. As an experienced expert, we can help you with your packaging tasks across the board. We offer consulting, machines, banding materials, and services as part of a carefree package. And as an innovative partner, we're happy to take on special jobs. Our deep expertise in specialist machine engineering means that we can provide the perfect machine for every challenge. We take customer support seriously. Your success is important to us. We can assist you in securing your investment and keeping your machines in business. ATS Unique Banding. For you, for customers, for the environment.